during my interview for Exotic Environment, just the night before, I was with Bernard sir in his room. I had a recording of him giving input on my entire interview process that helped me crack it. So, the only thing that I had in Woxsen was the international exposure. Even I told it on my first day. But Woxsen specializes itself in bringing abroad to India the entire ecosystem of abroad and industry to academics. Because you are a live example of that.
The vibes that I got from this college or the teachers I spoke to, I was like, fine. And then, frankly speaking, my brother was like, ये मिल तो रहा है ना मेरे को तो उम्मीद भी नहीं था and we were like okay fine let's go ahead and not only this is not only the perspective of the shadow I'm seeing to him, this is like the mirror image of every student I have met.
It is the you who molded them from a very unknown man to a complete man who can take the decision and run the company for the future growth of the company. And it's a very good thing you say that if they come for recruitment in this university, that is your things taught and they have come accordingly and they become a man.
Leaders, they have become leaders.
Yes, sir, they are the leaders now. One thing I found in my son that he is now able to take a complete decision. It is very good and right direction. Even he beats my decision also. And it is really you people at the university. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
University and all the faculty members and trainers.